Wala, welcome to Kotor, Montenegro guys. Ayan, ito na naman tayo magkwentuhan sa over voice. Kotor is a 45 town on Montenegro Adriatic coast. It's a bay near the limestone cliffs of Mount Lubsin, characterized by winding streets and squares. Its medieval old town has several Romanesque churches. Kotor has one of the best preserved medieval old town in the Adriatic and is double UNESCO World Heritage Site. It is part of natural and cultural historical region of Kotor and Venetian works of defense between 16th century and 17th century. Statue da Terra. Kotor is an absolute gem of a place and, in my opinion, a must visit for anyone making their way to the beautiful country of Montenegro. From the epic bay that sits beside to the charming UNESCO protected old town that flaunts its Venetian past, the city is a remarkable contribution to European history. There is top 15 things to eat in Kotor represent the best ingredients and flavor and the city has to offer. Number 1, burik. Naku, save room for burik, a local treat that's popular as a breakfast food. Pangalawa ay black risotto. And then bajadera, pazolj, silver bet, baklava, calamari, catch of the day. Next morning, we go on a boat tour. So we take the boat and then we're going to visit all the caves. So itong boat papasok sa mga caves. Lahat kami na nandito sa mga pasahero, turista, papasok sa loob ng kuweba. Ayan guys, nag-enjoy kami sa aming boat tour. Ayan, medyo nakakatakot at medyo rin may binibisita din kami mga submarine bunker. So now guys, pupunta tayo sa Lady of the Rocks, itong isla. So Our Lady of the Rock is one of the two islets off the coast of Perast in the Bay of Kotor, Montenegro. It is an artificial island created by bulwark of rocks and by sinking old and seized ships loaded with rocks. So enjoy guys watching dito sa aming pagpasok sa mga kuweba dito sa mga rocks. Yan, rocks formation sa loob ng kuweba ang boat namin papasok. Ayan na guys, papasok na yung aming boat. Ayan, lahat ng camera nakapokus na at papasok tayo dyan sa butas na yan. Ayan, ready na ang camera. Ayan na, lahat nakafocus na yung kanya-kanyang video, kuha ng video. So let's go. So ayan, meron pala doon sa 3-4 na mga speedboat na nag-e-explore din ng mga turista. Ayan. So mag-stay muna ng konting minuto bago umalis kasi matraffic, maraming mga turista nag-tour. So after sa loob yan, lalabas na and then we're going out and we're going to visit another caves by boat ulit. Ayan, sobra ang lamig at kasi mahangin, sobrang hangin at sobrang lamig. Buti na lang may baon akong jacket. Pero guys, walang naligo kasi malamig, sobrang lamig dito sa Kotor Bay of Kotor and Blue Caves Speedboat Tour. Ayan guys. So marami naman kami kaya lang mayroon kasabay kaming boat naliligo ang ibang pasahero or turista. Sa aming boat, mayroon doon 5 Pilipino. Siguro ko nag-work sa cruise ship, nag-tour din sila. At mga naka-short lang at sleeveless. Sobrang nilamig sila, grabe, tinitingnan ko lang sila. Tapos picture sila ng picture at saka videos. Hindi nila alam, marunong ako makaintindi sa kanila. Ay, ay, ay. Dito guys sa Montenegro, kahit saan ako pumunta, maraming Pilipino. Mayroon mga tindera, mayroon nag-work sa hotel, at kung saan-saan pa. So ayan guys, pupunta na naman tayo sa isang Blue Lagoon. Ayan, papasok na naman yung ating boat dyan sa maliit na butas. Ayan, pero marami palang boat sa loob. Ayan, hindi ko akalain makakapasok ang aming boat dyan kasi ang liit yung pala pwede. So ayan guys, papasok na kami sa loob ng another tunnel, another blue na caves. Ayan na, so marami din asan na yung mga Pilipino dyan, marami dyan Pilipino So ngayon we're going to visit the submarine tunnel, Subterranea of Montenegro Submarine Tunnel. The submarine enters the tunnel underwater and comes to the surface inside. Each tunnel is about 100 meter long. The water inside, deep. Dito nila tinatago yung kanilang mga submarine kasi marami noon mga kaguluhan sa kanilang country. One of the best hidden attraction in the Bay of Kotor are the submarine tunnels near the village of Rose. There are 3 submarine tunnels in the bay. Pero isa lang yung aming pinuntahan. So ayan, nandito na tayo sa loob ng tunnel. Yan ang pinaglalagyan ng mga submarine. Ayan. At lahat na naka-focus ang kanilang mga kamera. Ayan. Ako naman, sige lang, kuha ng video. Kahit maraming mga tao. So ayan, na-explore na natin ang submarine tunnel dito sa Kotor. So ngayon, after dito mag-explore sa submarine tunnel, pupunta naman tayo sa Lady of Rocks, isang island. Our Lady of Rocks, where legend and history intertwine, stands as a beacon of wonder in the Bay of Kotor. In 1452. A fisherman found an icon of the Virgin Mary on a reef, which inspired Perast townsfolk to create an island by yearly and adding stones. Some have suggested that the presence of the statue in a window marks a brothel, that drugs are available for sale, or that protection money has been paid by the resident. Others have suggested that she represents Molly Malone. There is also a speculation that she could represent the Virgin Mary or Mary Magdalene. Ayan guys, maraming turista dito sa maliit na island na to. Isang simbahan lang ang laman. So ang iba, ayan nakapila, papasok. Ang haba ng pila sa dami ng tao. Hindi kami makapila dahil nagmamadali yung aming boats. Dahil sa dami namin, kailangan umalis daw kami in 30 minutes. So 30 minutes lang yan eh. So haba-haba ng pila. So after the tour, ayan, nandito na tayo sa Old Town na naman. Balik sa Old Town. Ikot-ikot tayo sa bawat kanto, bawat iskinita. Yan. At saka, this is a medieval city, as they said. Maganda siya. Very charming. Kotor is an absolute gem of a place and in an opinion must visit for anyone making their way to the beautiful country of Montenegro. From the epic bay that is sits beside for the charming UNESCO protected old town that flaunts its Venetian past, the city is a remarkable contribution to European history. So ayan guys, I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa aming tour dito sa Kotor. Hanggang sa Blue Lagoon, papuntang island at saka dito sa Old Town Medieval by day and by the night. So yan lang yung aming stay rito and we're driving out again tomorrow to another city. Exciting! Ciao, ciao! Ito naman guys yung mga signboard sa highway or sa road na sinusundan namin. So I hope you enjoy guys and see you on my next travel vlog. Ciao ciao!